Hello FutureNet world. The team back at headquarters has developed the Futuro so that you can now buy Futuro and sell your Futuro through an ATM machine. This is the wonderful product. Let me show you how it works. In this example, I'm going to use my native tongue. This demonstration is going to show you how to get Futuro sent directly to your digital wallet. You simply press the Futuro logo and now you have an option to buy. Very simply, press the buy button. And now we have a situation where you decide which currency would you like to pay with. In this example, I'm going to use Euro. So simply you press the currency you wish to pay with. And the next point is you must offer the machine your QR code from your digital wallet. Now, as we all know, at the moment we have about 7 exchanges that we can use our Futuro with. My favorite, I suppose, at the moment would be, I find CoinDeal very good. It's very easy to use, and I think we get some fabulous rates with CoinDeal. So I have a CoinDeal wallet. As you can clearly see, the balance is 2,939 Futuro. So now that we have the balance, let's do the transaction. Now you need to get your QR code from your digital wallet. Simply press the QR code and offer the QR code to the camera on the ATM machine. It scans your QR code and that provides the machine with your destination address. This is your Futuro digital wallet address. Now, the next point is we must put some money in the machine. In this example, I'm going to buy 50 euro worth of Futuro. You present the money to the machine. And now you can see with the exchange rate offered, I can get 4.94 Futuros for my 50 euro. This is the rate programmed to the machine at this time of recording. Now all you do is buy your Futuro, and as you can see, I have got Futuro from an ATM machine. Isn't this fantastic? Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, it presents you with a receipt. And that's how easy it is for anybody to get their hands on Futuro. Isn't that fantastic? And you should see your brand new balance, your new Futuro, right there on your digital wallet. Please join us again for some more information on our fabulous equipment, on our fabulous ATM machines, and how the whole world can benefit from digital currency.